It has been about 8 weeks since I started testing the Epres Healthy Hair System I was gifted, and I have some pros and some cons. Now, first off, I just really want to get into what you get here. You get the Bond Repair Spray. This is really nice. You just want to shake it up, spray it on your head. It has a very lovely light smell. It's mostly water. And once you spray it on, after 10 minutes, it's meant to repair the bonds of your hair from the inside out. So this is really, really nice. And then you have the shampoo and conditioner. These are quat-free. They are very clarifying, very lightweight. And I would say that after 8 weeks of using these, I can't really complain, as my hair is looking healthier and happier, but I also am a little mixed on them. So let me see if I can explain this in a concise way. The gist is that I had longer hair, but the portion down to here was a lot more damaged from years of mistreatment. And the last few years I've been focusing a lot more on taking care of my hair using really high quality hair care products. And what you're seeing here is all of those products finally making a difference in me having healthy hair. So Epres kept my hair healthy and happy on top. But the one thing that I really noticed is that while this was more lightweight, while my hair just could have more natural body with this, it was actually making my breakage, my split hairs down along this lower section more obvious. It felt drier down here. I was oiling my hair more. I just couldn't seem to keep that portion of my hair as healthy as I wanted to. So I went to my hairdresser last week and he also basically confirmed what I was seeing, that this portion of my hair was really healthy and happy all the way down. And keep in mind, I have fine hair prone to breakage anyway, so I'm never gonna have that beautiful thick head of hair. It's just not in my genetics. But that any hair below here was just looking dry, damaged, and he just recommended cutting it all off, so I did. And I gotta say, I'm loving where my hair is at now, but it didn't really sell me on Epres. While this was nice, while I think if you went from just some non-hair care product to this, you would see a noticeable difference. I have been testing so many healthy hair systems for the past 2 years that this just held the status quo slash highlighted where I was having less healthy hair. And so I think it would work for you. It certainly did not damage my hair up here. My hair looks great, but it wasn't an obvious win for me. I didn't come out the other side of 8 weeks going, wow, my hair looks so much better. So I hate giving negative reviews on products that I was gifted. I usually just don't make the video at all, but I did want to finish this up because I have been doing weekly updates to say that if you can get this at a great price, you may just love it. I can see from the reviews that many people do love this and say that it gives them softer, smoother, stronger hair. For me, it just didn't work exactly as I had hoped. I had hoped for more. So while you may love these, I personally wasn't as impressed as I thought I'd be. I hope this video helps you make a decision.